Hey, you. Do you want to save time when creating your social media graphics? If so, stay tuned. I have a Canva hack just for you. Hello, my name is Tamel Green, also known as the Digital Midwife. I help mompreneurs to automate the business marketing systems. In today's episode, I'm going to show you in less than 15 minutes how to create social media content in Canva. So let's get started. So once you get inside your Canva account, you're going to navigate over to social media, right? And it's going to change the bottom what you can create. And I'm going to click on the quick create collection. Okay. Now this feature is reminiscent of the resize feature, which is one of the main reasons why I started with doing Canva Pro is because of the resize feature where you could create one graphic and then you could make copies and create other social media formats, right? So this particular feature allows you to create all those formats at one time, right? The ones that are available here. Three things that I'm going to talk about right here is I'm going to tell you that you should go ahead and already have your brand kit created, which I have a video to show you how to do that. I will link it in the description below. And also in creating your brand kit inside of Canva, this gives you all your brand colors in one spot. It also allows you to upload your logo in that particular part, as well as choosing the fonts that you already want to use in all of your designs. This allows you to save time and again to go quicker with this process because it's going to ask you all these different things. And you'll see what I'm talking about as I keep going. You also want to go ahead and upload your picture that you want to use and any other logos that you may want to use. Okay. So as you see here, it's asking you the first step is a 5-step process. The first thing is you're going to choose which formats you like to do. I'm just choosing 4 of them for now. And I'm going to click on continue. Now, as you see, it has a main text box and an additional text box. And there's only 25 characters in the first one and 45 characters in the second box. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type something. Ooh. All right. So as you can see, it allowed me to type what I wanted to type. And of course, you can decide what you want to type in this particular space. And also know that this is just enough as a basis to get you started. So if there's something you want to add individually to each one, then that's cool. Because of course, a lot of times people like to add QR codes and things like that. So you can add that once you've done all of the designing part. Okay. So I'm going to click on continue. The next thing is I've already uploaded the picture I'm going to use. So I'm just going to click on that, click on continue again. Let me back it up, go back to image and logo. So I'm going to choose the logo that I want to use. So for this particular one, I have a couple of different logos. I'm going to choose the white one because I want to use the one that allows me to show through the color that I'm going to use. So I'm going to choose that one. And then you have a template style that you can use. So the first one that we have is a geometric. Then we're going to click on simple. Now don't pay attention to the colors because these are not my colors. I'm going to show you that part in a minute. This is the fun side, elegant. Keep clicking, is organic, and then there's modern. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with the elegant. Okay, I like that a little better. And then this is the palette that is already there. I guess it's picking up the color scheme from my picture. I'm not sure. But I already have my brand kit done. So all I need to do is click on this particular color palette because that's my color palette for my business. Now, one thing I like about this is I don't like the dark side of my color palette. I like the lighter side of it. So I'm going to keep clicking on shuffle until it gets to where I want it to be. And so I do like the blue side, right? Well, turquoise, right? And I can keep shuffling again to get it back to that, make it that. It's all about what you've already put into your brand kit. This is why it's very important to kind of set your canvas space up in order to, help you to maneuver around the spaces. So let me go back. I'm gonna do the turquoise color, and I'm gonna click on continue. Okay, so once I clicked on continue, it brings it up to this side right here, right? So it says your designs are ready. We save your designs in a new folder for you. Open them in the editor, continue editing. So this will allow you to either download them as is, or you can see your collection and you can edit them individually, which is what I love. Okay. So I clicked on the email header, and of course I want my face to be shown. So I'm just going to bring it down. All right. I think I may want to use white instead of black here. Okay. And of course, you may want to add more information, but I just want to show you quickly what to do as it relates to once you've already, chosen the the templates that you want to use for which particular platform, and then you can just kind of go in and edit them. All right. That one is pretty good. Let's see the story one. That one's pretty good as well. And then I'm going to go to the Instagram post. Very good as well. So all I need to do is download each one and go ahead and schedule them. Of course, I like to automate my content. So if I download them, I will go ahead and schedule them so that way they'll be scheduled and things like that. So I hope this was helpful to you. As you can see, this was a very quick process. I said 15 minutes, but honestly, it's probably going to be maybe about 10 minutes, but that's only if you've already done your brand kit already, putting in your logo, uploading your picture that you're going to need, your color scheme for your business. All those things need to be done beforehand, but that's if you want to, make the process faster. But if you have not done those, then of course you can do them as we were moving through the process. You saw that was available for you, but it just, makes the process longer for you. And doing your brand kit will be helpful for a lot of features that Canva has. So down below, again, I'm going to make sure that you know that I have linked a video down there for you to actually see how to set that up. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thank you so much for tuning in.